All right, folks, Tuesday morning. Hope everybody enjoyed the long holiday weekend and you're ready to get back after it. So some big storms rolling through Chicago right now. So we're doing this inside. We've also got some big storms rolling through the Nasdaq. That index in the pre-market down over 2% right now. You may remember last week that index was down over 3% for the week. So some big moves to the downside in these tech names. Names like Tesla this morning down over 10%. In the pre-market. So when you look at the action on the street, certainly heading into today's open, that Tech 100 over at Nadex is definitely going to be moving. Now look at some of these other markets. Oil right now, the other big mover. Oil down over 5% right now as demand concerns start to creep their way back into the market. Summer's over. Now that we've got that Labor Day holiday out of the week, concerns are that with summer travel coming to an end, we're going to start to see some weakness in oil, weakness in gas, less demand. Therefore, that index trading down, that commodity trading down right now, right around $37 a barrel in WTI. Last but not least, FX is going to be very interesting this week. Two things you need to be aware of. One, European Central Bank is meeting on Thursday. You may remember last week we were talking about that euro hitting 1.20 against the dollar and the European Central Bank having some concerns with that. So we may get more clarity on that this week when they meet on Thursday as to what they really think about that appreciation we've seen in the euro. Ahead of that, we're seeing strength in the dollar, weakness in the euro. Other currency is the British pound. We're seeing that British pound experience some weakness this morning and the dollar seeing some strength as Brexit talks, I know something we haven't talked about in a while, Brexit talks are kicking back up. And right now we're seeing a lot of butting heads and not much headway being made between trade negotiations with the UK and with Europe. So something else to keep an eye on. We could see some interesting moves in FX this week. So it's going to be a fun week. I know it's a short trading week. We've only got 4 trading days this week, but there's a lot going on and a lot could shake out. Certainly as it's going to get real interesting over the next 2 months heading into that election. Hope everybody has a good one. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.